Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to use VPN on your Android device. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you need to launch on your Google Play Store, and after launch on your Google Play Store, then go to search bar and type TURBO Turbo VPN, then search it, and then you find this application, and then look at this carefully. This is Turbo VPN, and you need to install it. I installed it before, so I don't need to install it now. So let's back and open your Turbo VPN, and now there have a option tap to connect. So simply tap it. Just tap over this option and then connection request, then tap OK. Now here you can see it's connecting now. Look at this, it's already connected, and location is United States. If you want to change this location, so simply tap on this top right corner flag option, and you can select any country from here. You can select Germany, United States, any country you can select. So guys, now you can use any website without any kind of restriction. So guys, in this way you can use VPN on your Android device very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.